Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. The topic is computer. If you use computer, you can talk about it. Computer can be laptop. If you have any Surface or any other computer, desktop computer, you can talk about that. And if you don't use computer regularly, even then you can answer the questions, right? So, do you use computer very much?
Yes, I use computer very often because I'm working as an instructor, so I have to give an assignment to the students and have many work to search on computer. That's why I prefer to use computer very
Very
often.
good. When do you use computer?
I use computer in morning when I was in university, and after that when I come back to home in evening I use computer for to make my lectures and suggest some assignment to the students.
Okay.
So I use
I usually use
use
computer
computer in
in
morning
the
and
morning time. That's very good. What do you usually do on computer?
um, sometime when I have free time, I use computer to connect with my friends and relatives. And when I have some work, so I will go through with computer. I go through different search apps for my research work and for students'
All
assignment.
right, this is good. The good thing is you answered all three questions differently. So this is what you need to do. Like in one answer, she talked about her assignments and all that. In one answer, she talked about free time and fun and all that. So when they ask you 3, 4, 5 questions, try to answer every question differently because when your answer is different, obviously you will use different vocabulary, different words, different sentence structure, and this is what examiner wants to know, like to what extent you speak English and all that. Okay, overall it's good. Keep it up. Right now, let's move on with you. All right. What is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is red because it is very attractive and I like red color attracted me more than any other
Red
color.
color attracts me.
Okay. Red color attracts me more than any other color. I used to buy clothes and I used to
I usually buy clothes in red color.
okay. I usually buy clothes in red color and
Okay, that's good. So just try to conclude. That is why my favorite color is red. Okay, let's go on. Is there any color that you dislike?
no, there is no any color which I dislike because every color has its own importance and when I see different colors, all the colors attracting different people in a different way. So every color has its importance in any way.
Good. What was your favorite color when you were a child?
Pink. As I
Yeah,
am a
give me
girl,
one. Okay. Yeah.
as I am a girl, so I have doll houses and
I used to have.
I used to have doll houses and they wear little pink heels and the color of the houses were pink and my all toys have pink colors and
My all toys have
had
had. See, the
had.
question is in the past tense. So when I was little, my favorite color was pink because of the dollhouse. I used to have a beautiful pink dollhouse, and all the dolls wore second form pink color and this and that. Okay, so you should focus the question. Do you think you would like to buy clothes in a different color in future?
Yes, I will definitely, and I am also buying different color clothes having different colors now, because as I say early,
As I have said earlier.
as I have said earlier, different colors have their own attractions. So I used to buy different clothes.
I will buy clothes in a variety of colors in the future because this question is in the future tense. So just focus the tense. Overall, your answers are good. Your English is good. Pay attention to the tense of the question and then answer accordingly. Okay? Thank you.